Alrighty, welcome to the 2025 NAVAN C30. This is NAVAN's cabin style version of their 30-footer with twin 300 Mercuries off the back, giving it NAVAN's max horsepower setup. Got a great entry both on the starboard and port side for easy access. Got a super efficient rear cockpit setup with NAVAN's bucket style seating, which has great amount of storage for your bumpers, your lines, life jackets, whatever you'd like to keep out of the elements. Two massive lazarette areas below. So this is your access to your water heater as well as your battery bank. On the other side, this gives you more access to space as well as your windshield wiper fluid reservoir. On the back of the NAVAN here, you have this wet bar setup. So this has a Kenyan electric grill top. You have a sink as well as just a preparation area. So this is great if you want to cook up some food, host some people in the back. You can also option this boat with a rear table here. So with the optional pull-out sides on both the port and the starboard side, you can really host, 3 people here, 1 person over there and another person here. So you can fit 5 people in the back here, easy, no problem. You'll also notice that on the back of the NAVAN here, it actually opens up. So there's this massive rear window that opens and closes to keep you in and out of the elements. It's great for allowing conversation to pass through so you can have everyone intertwine with your conversations at once. The NAVAN has some very good walkways, wide enough to get by, and if you do need some extra security, you have your handheld railing all the way up to the bow. This cabin is super bright. NAVAN does a great job with their big windows. Again, got a massive bench seat in the back with the Helm seat, which is double wide, so you and your co-pilot can sit forward on the boat, giving you great visibility off the front. Now you do have this massive panoramic sunroof. Now this thing does open up. Not going to open it as it was just previously raining. You've got sound system all throughout the boat. The Helm on the NAVAN is exceptional. Simple, upgraded, touchscreen. Everything is flush within the Helm. You've got your joystick piloting. So this is offered on NAVAN's twin engine setup from the 250 Mercuries and up. You've got your zip wake system, which is essentially a smart trim tab system that keeps the boat auto leveled the whole time. You've got wireless charging pads. You've got your above mounted VHF radio. On the starboard side of the cabin, you have the optional sink. Allows you to fill a kettle. You've got storage underneath. Underneath the Helm seat, you've got a fridge, great for storing your necessities or drinks. You can see the accent lighting is all throughout the boat. Inside the cabin, you can also flip your seat back and you can open the dinette. This table also drops down with some filler cushions and you could actually sleep another person or two. Down in the cabin of the NAVAN, you've got this awesome queen size mattress. Goes from bow to starboard to port, maximizing your sleeping room. To the port side, you have a head. So it is a wet head, but you can still take a shower and extend your cruising. Again, the accent lighting with the big hull windows and a TV if you wanted to watch a show. You do have your opening window hatch, which you can open to bring in some nice airflow as well, and in case of emergencies. Coming up to the bow, we've got this awesome sun lounge that covers almost the whole bow. So these backrests flip up, allowing you to sit up and seat forward as you're on anchor or moving forward. Something to note on the NAVAN is you can actually install a sunshade over the bow with some carbon fiber poles that stick into these holes right here, allowing for full coverage. You've got a nice light bar, so your night driving is perfectly fine. Coming up to the front here is your anchor locker and your windlass. You have your remote and your windlass and a massive anchor locker.